Good morning, students. This is Sandeep there from UPS Arampura, teacher UPS Arampura, Zone Dragumala, District Opara. Today, I am going to share with you some tips regarding teaching of mathematics. Over the years, I have found that mathematics is being considered by students as a very difficult subject to understand, difficult subject to learn. What I have found over the years that we are not able to, being a teacher, in fact, I was not able to associate uh, mathematics problems with daily life. As for example, in case a physics teacher, if a teacher is teaching physics, any Newton's law or something else, so he is going to associate those laws or those theories with nature, with the immediate environment around us. That makes students feel associated with that subject in their daily life. So what I have done is, what I have written over here is math and daily life. Math is associated with daily life. Math is an essential life skill, and math is more than memorizing formula. Just I'm not going to just quote these lines over here. I'm just going to give you few examples, few topics. I'm not associating it with a particular topic. I'm associating with the general teaching mathematics. I'm just sharing with you some examples which I think that I am able to associate those mathematics topics with life skills. For example, fraction is fraction is a very important topic in mathematics. It is a basic we teach students from fourth class what is a fraction. As far as book is concerned, a fraction is a part of a whole, but a part of a whole, and we just concentrate we just concentrate on memorizing. But I have associated fraction with some daily life. Just say example of utensil full of cooked rice. In every household, being a Kashmiri, we cook rice and we distribute among it a family. We usually cook a single utensil of rice. We do not cook different utensils of rice for different members of the family. We have one utensil, so that is one utensil, that is whole thing as far as mathematics is concerned. Then we distribute it among the members. If we have five members, then each will get one part of it. For example, if we have divided rice among four members, each one is going to get 1 by 4. So this is a way of associating. Simply, we can just quote the example of sharing. Whenever we go out with students, or whenever students are with their friends, they associate, they usually share things which with each other. So sharing, whenever we share, we divide a whole thing into parts. For example, a cake, whenever there is a celebration of birthday or something like that, we cut cake is being divided into equal number of parts so that it can be distributed among all the participants. Whenever, so we can quote examples where students share things with each other. We can have their participation by asking them what are the different things they are sharing. So they can associate fraction with their daily life. Likewise, there is some this is also difficult to consider to be a difficult topic in mathematics, that is algebraic expression. And we have some terms that is associated with algebraic expression. One of them is variable means what? According to book, it is the value change. But if we associate variable with life, we can quote example of growth of hair. It is not constant, it keeps on changing, either it increases or decreases with the age. Same thing, what we can quote example, we can just ask or order all the student to sit up and measure the height. So look around, left, right, are they are of equal height or different heights? So that is one example. Obviously they are not of the same height, each one is of different height. Maybe there may be some resemblance between two, but usually we have different heights. So that is an example. For example, we can just quote the example of growth of nails that keeps on increasing with the passage of time. So variable is associated with daily life things which students are able to associate. In the same way manner, we have constant. what constant value do not change, but we can associate it with the size of stone. We can ask students what are the things they observe that uh, uh, the value remains same or the size remains same whenever they move from school to their respective homes. What are the things they observe over the years or over the months or over the days that remains constant? So they can quote various number of examples. Here what I am able trying to make point is that we can associate mathematics with our daily life thing.